Hey guys, so in this video we're going to review the simulator tool. Simulator tool allows you to build what-if scenarios, okay? So here on the purple line I can see my equity curve. As you can see, my current equity curve is all over the place. It's very choppy. So this means I have not really nailed down a trading strategy that actually works for me. Perhaps I'm trading too many setups and I don't know what to do. So what can we do here? I always recommend before you jump into this simulator, you need to at least understand your other reports. So I'm going to jump in here and then I'm going to quickly see here my setup reports. Okay. And I'm going to identify a couple of things before we actually move on with the simulator. So if I go here to this report, which is a setup report, I can see that I'm trading plenty of setups, yet only 5 setups are actually producing me money, which is earnings winners, contract winner, a multi-month breakout, multi-week breakout, and mornings breakout. Okay, so let's take this information and let's go to the simulator. Now that we have understand that only a few of our setups are actually producing us money, let's build a what-if scenario that speaks to this, what we have learned. Okay, so multi-month breakout, I want to select multi-week, morning, contract winners, and earnings winner. So what this is doing is going to be a what if scenario. What if I only focus on trades that follow these setups? So I want to click here on the simulated. So as you can see here, it's going to be a new equity curve. It's going to only take those trades that have actually been tagged with those setups, and it's going to build a potential for you. Okay, so instead of sitting at $1,300 of profits, I could be sitting at $1,500 worth of profits if I could only focus on this setup. Okay, so right away I think we can identify a potential pattern that we could be focusing on, and then we could take that pattern and take it to the management tool, which will allow us to make a plan. Okay, now you can do this with setups, and at the same time you can do it with any other data point. For example, what if I focus only on stocks that are between $0 and $2? Okay, let's see what will happen. So as you can see, then my equity curve will start going choppy again. So that will be a problem. That's something that we want to avoid. So what can we do? Maybe I will say, okay, I want to focus maybe on tickers between $2 and $5. So we can see now, wow, it's like we're starting to build a profitable trading strategy. Okay, so we're saying now that we could focus on these 5 setups and perhaps on tickers, symbols that have the price between $2 and $4 or $4.99. Okay, so again, let's go deeper. What else can we do here? If I go down, I can say, okay, what a day of the week perhaps I should be focusing on. Let's say what happens if I only focus on Friday. How will my curve look like? Oh, it's starting to get a little bit choppy. So perhaps Friday seems like I'm not doing well on Friday. So I'm going to maybe avoid Fridays. And I can see here from the value from below, I can see here that Monday seems to be good. So we can say, okay, Monday is good. What about Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? Okay. What would it look like? And then, so right away, again, you start building different scenarios here. Okay. Okay, so again, the idea is that you play around with this, you form your own trading strategy, and then you take that trading strategy and then you put it into the management tool, which is a tool that is going to allow you to actually follow your plan, which is a plan that you have kind of play around with here.